No, no, मैं wrote. No, मैं wrote.
I hope everybody has finished now, right? Now, I'll give you one question. Like, let me just give you one example. For example, 16. Okay. I asked you write this in the form of exponents and power. So 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, right? So how many powers is there? 4. So can I write it like this? 2 raised to the power 4. Exponents in power form. Done? Yes or no?
Yes.
Both of you, Hepzibah, you also got it what I did?
No, ma'am.
See, you have to just do the prime factor, right? And then count how many 2 are there. Count it.
4.
4. So you just wrote 2 raised to the power 4.
Okay.
Okay, so like first you will write it like this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. How many 2 are there? 4. In case if the prime factor is this. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Right? How would you write it like down this? 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 3 raised to the power 2 multiply by 5 raised to the power 4. Done? Clear? So you have to just count
Yes,
how many numbers are there and that will be the power. Fine?
So you don't have to further calculate the like that 2 to the power of 3, that one.
This one?
No, the down one. The answer you got.
This? No, you don't have. See, if you will further solve it, what you will get? Only 2 raised multiply by 3 times. If you will solve this again, you will only get this one, right? For example, if 2 raised to the power 4, I'll multiply it. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. 4 4 is 16. I'm getting 16 only. So you don't need to solve it again. Okay?
Okay.
Clear? Okay. So I'll just give you one question. Here you go. Okay, express 256 as a power of 2. So you will do the prime factor of 256 and then let's see how many 2s are there. Fine?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Aman. Why you joined so late? Tell me, why you joined so late?
My network was not connecting, ma'am.
We just started a new chapter, exponents and power, and even you were not there when I finished triangles and triangles. Where were you?
I was shifting to another place, ma'am, as I told you.
And then how will you cover that chapter again?
Ma'am, in the previous year, ma'am, there was an exam called acid exam, ma'am, in which in whole 7th class in my school, ma'am, I got first rank in maths.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so because of that, should I forgive you?
Yeah, ma'am, you can.
Okay, so we just started a new chapter, exponents and power. And to be very honest, if you will miss any of the class for exponents and power, you will not get anything in future. Like for
Ma'am,
this chapter,
I
right?
studied this chapter 2 years ago.
Okay, so then do this one example one. Then I don't think I need to.
Ma'am, 16.
You don't have to tell me the answer. Just write everybody else is doing.
Ma'am, I've done it from the R.D. Sharma book.
Write the answer in the chat box. No? Who told you 16? Read the question. What I said? Express this in the power of 2.
Okay, ma'am. Amish, how would you write the answer as like 5 to the power of 7 like that? Or like,
Yes. Like 2 would be the base. Power can be anything.
okay.
Yes, Saman. Now it's correct.
Okay, ma'am. Is the answer correct?
Yes, correct. Ananya, done?
No, ma'am. I got a silly mistake. So I'm
Okay.
recurring.
Do it.
I'm finished.
Okay. So I hope everybody got the answer that 2 raised to the power 8. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay, Hepzibah and Aman already got it, and I think Ananya, you also got this. Right?
Yes, ma'am. I got
Now,
it.
one question I will give you where you have to tell which one is greater. So for that, you need to solve the right hand side as well as the left hand side. Okay? Clear? So here you go. So for example, if it is 2 raised to the power 3, so 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 this side. And here 3 multiply by 3. You will solve it and tell me which one is greater, this or that. Okay. Now, most of the students basically think that, ma'am, the power here is greater. That 2 raised to the power 3 is greater, right? Okay, like for example, 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 2. So they just compare the power that ma'am 3 and 2. So that means this one will be greater. But no, this is not the scenario. Okay. Um, Aman, just tell me the number. I don't know your right or my right. So tell me the number.
Ma'am, 3 to the power 2.
Just write it down.
Is it correct?
Yes. So solve it over here. You can see 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is
How do
8.
we write numbers like in powers on the keyboard, ma'am? I don't know, ma'am. I just
No,
can't
no, you
write it,
can
ma'am.
write.
That's why.
You can write 2 and there is a sign for this in the keyboard.
But on my keyboard, ma'am, I just can't see that.
Okay, okay. It's okay then. Okay. If you are using laptop,
Yes, ma'am.
so can you see the 6th number?
Yes, ma'am, of course.
In the 6, do you have another number as well in the upper
Oh, yeah,
space?
ma'am, I saw it. Ma'am, I saw it.
I will just press shift and that one. Then after that,
Okay.
you just wrote
Ma'am,
half.
after that, ma'am, I don't know.
After that, write 2. That's it. That
Ma'am,
sign
let me
means
try.
raised to the power. So you will write it like this. And then,
Oh, me.
got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay, so I hope girls you got it. Which one is greater? Obviously, this one is greater. So that means, ma'am, 3 raised to the power 2 is greater. Hepzibah Ananya, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? Okay. Now, one more question, the same like this. We'll solve it. Hmm.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
I got the answer, but how to write it in the chat box?
No problem. Just tell it orally. Yes, Hepzibah, it's correct. And then you tell me which one. First or second?
Second.
Yes. So 2 raised to the power 8 is great. Okay. Ananya, if you want to, in case you want to type it, you are using laptop.
No, ma'am, I'm using tab.
You are using tab. So I don't know. In tab, do you have the option for this?
I I have so many symbols here, but I don't know which one.
So for the sixth one, do you have any upper symbol as well? Sixth number?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, just
Then,
on the top of the keyboard.
sorry,
Ma'am, on top of the keyboard, ma'am, there is the number. There are the numbers.
I don't know. If in case you have this one, this is power. Something like this. In my laptop, it is 6, and here it is written like this. So I press shift and I press this, so it comes base to the power. Then I
Ma'am,
type first
let
2,
me
then
check.
this, and then I type the number like this. I write. Okay? It's okay, no problem if you're not getting it. It's fine. Okay, this one is done. Now let's just come to the next question. Everybody got it? Good, very good. Now you have to do the prime factor of certain numbers, and then you have to tell all they are same or not. So here you go. Okay?
Ma'am, what do we have to do in this question?
Read it, Aman. Read it. Getting it? Expand.
Ma'am,
Like the first one, the second one. So I have to expand it. This. So I'll expand it here. 8 multiplied by A multiplied by A multiplied by B multiplied by B. For all. This is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth.
they are not the same, ma'am. Simple.
I'll
Oh,
see.
ma'am, I don't understand this.
Okay, do one thing. Just expand all the numbers. That's it. You know, expanding A raised to the power 3. So A multiplied by A multiplied by A. Just expand it, then I'll tell you. Okay?
Ma'am, I expanded them all, then I don't know what to do.
Sorry? You expanded it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. I'll tell.
Okay.
Okay. So here you go. Now I expanded A this, B this. So A multiplied by A, and here B multiplied by B multiplied by B. Yes. And B3, A2. So B multiplied by B multiplied by B, and A multiplied by A. And then B2, A3. So B multiplied by B multiplied by A multiplied by A. Yes. Now over here you can see 3A. Yes. Okay, it's A3. So A multiplied. And 2B. Here also 2B and 3B. So these two are same. Yes. And these two are same. Clear? Got it? So even if you write A2, B3 or you write B3, A2, it's the same thing. Got it? So A3, B2 and B2, A3, they are the same thing. And A2, B3 and B2, they are the same. Okay?
Oh.
Fine. Okay? Now, I hope everybody done, right? Now, I will give you a few questions. You have to just express it in the form of prime factor. Clear? Done writing? Should I give you the question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here you go. Express the following numbers as a product of power of prime factor. So you have to do prime factor or the one which I told you here, how to write it all the same way. Okay. Students getting it?
Ma'am.
Yes, okay. And students?
Ma'am, the last question.
Okay, do it. Okay. Hepzibah, for 9, can't you write 3 raised to the power 2?
Sorry, ma'am.
For 9, can't you write 3 raised to the power? Where you have write 9, 9, 9. 9 isn't 3 raised to the power 2? Is 9 only, right? Yes or no?
I don't get it.
You have written 9 everywhere. So it's not 9. It will be 3 raised to the power 2.
Okay.
Okay, so should we discuss, students? Aman and Hepzibah? Hepzibah, your answer are correct, but the only issue is this 9. 1. Okay. Uh, okay, Hepzibah, I think you are done now with the correction. So for the first one, what you get? 2 raised to the power 3 and 3 raised to the power 2 now. Yes? Yes or no? Because you got 9 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 raised to 3 raised to the 9 would be this 3 raised to the power 2. Clear? Yes, Hepzibah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now for the second one also, you wrote 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 3. So 2 raised to the power 4 multiplied by then 3 raised to the power, tell me, 3. Because you wrote 9 multiplied by 3. So 9 is 3 raised to the power 2 and then 3. So 3 raised to the power 3. Okay. Now for the third one, what you got?